Good morning, everybody. Well, here in Connecticut, we got some white stuff coming down. It's unusual, past few years at least. You know, it changes because that's what weather does. But first few snows of the season always melt the next day, but that's not been the case here this year. You got quite the pile of snow. I got the old Ford plow truck ready to go. Last year, was it last year? No, the year before. I guess fall 2018 I got this plow mounted and dialed in. And 2019 winter, not enough snow at any point to plow. Which I was happy about that, but I didn't get to use the truck at all. This will be a sight better than using a bulldozer, freezing my ass off, getting snowed on. So I moved this over here last night. Of course, I had to break my balls. I just moved it to over there next to the driveway, and you know, in a position ready to go, and wouldn't even fire up last night. Cranked it to the battery's almost dead. Then put the jumper cables through it. You know, walked away for a while. I calmed down. The truck calmed down, and she lit right off. Might have to do something about this snow on here so I can see. We definitely got some snow, all right. Let's fire this up and let it warm up. Gotta love the burgundy interior. I got a little solar charger. Battery, not charger, but a maintainer, I guess you'd call it. There's our plow controls. Plow pump there. I think I made some videos of this. Maybe not. Got a custom ether injection. Oh, you know what I should do first? I put the battery charger on it. Let's take that battery charger up just so I don't accidentally get the cables wound up into the serpentine belt or anything. I need two hands to clear this off. Well, while I got the hood up here, I'll just show you my ether injection. This is the lazy man's way of fixing it. It runs great, but it does not start worth a shit, even in warm weather. I don't understand. So, drilled a hole in the firewall, put this piece of 1/4-inch fuel line through, and originally I put it into the air filter box, but there's no vacuum here. There's only vacuum past the throttle plate. So I chose a vacuum line. This goes to, oh, I don't know, it goes somewhere. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, I put a T in there, and I teed in that piece of fuel line. So the vacuum sucks the ether in real good. Now this started last night, and it's a fuel injected truck, so it really shouldn't struggle that hard. Let's see, what do you say? Should I try it without ether first? Let's give it a try. And of course it's a little cold that the key doesn't even like to turn. I found that a trick that sometimes kind of sort of works is you turn the key to on or run a few times, make the fuel pump run a few times, and kind of prime the system. Whether it works or not, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I probably showed you this before. Footprint gas pedal adds about 5 horsepower. Let's see. Ready? Yeah, no, let's, oh, what a toilet. Fords. Why would you ever rely on a Ford is beyond me. Oh, the can's getting a little light. Let's see. Let's just squirt some in there. There we go. Huh. What a junk. Let's get some more ether in there. Hard to do this one-handed. I'm not an expert at one-handed cold starts like zip ties and bias plies. Yeah, I might need a new can of ether. Let's just fill that up with a good healthy dose. Jesus. Fucking toilet. Well, if there's anything like last time, I might need to just kind of let it rest for a little bit after swearing at it. And then give it another go. Starts enough to kick the Bendix out. Fucking junk. Well, that didn't work. I'm going to try the same recipe as before with the jumper cables. But don't you know, right after I shut the camera off, the damn key switch fucked off on me. It doesn't turn all the way to crank anymore. It just flops around, but luckily the ignition still turns on. So I'll turn the ignition on and use the Ford key. There's a reason I call these screwdrivers Ford keys. Guess which one of these two things is running? Goddamn junk. 1975 John Deere diesel bulldozer, lit right off, no ether. I guess that's about it. If you got any ideas on why this turd toilet piece of shit won't start in the cold, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see me swear at some Fords some more. Going back for more.